it's Nandesky with you here today, and I want to show you how to play the song Lead Me to the Cross. It's such a beautiful song, and this is how I like to do my introductions. Savior, I come, quiet my soul. Remember. So, how did I play that introduction? It consists of B minor. Na, 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 na. You got your A. I'm doing the flowy style or arpeggio. If you need practice with this, I also have a lesson on my website where I teach how to move your hand like this. So you have your B minor, and then that repeats, A, and then your G. With your right hand, you're just pressing on that triad chord, and then playing some melody. So your right hand takes more of that melody approach, and it's playing this. So, F sharp. Essentially, your left hand is going to play this B, and then you play C sharp, D, E, C sharp, D, F sharp, C sharp, D, C sharp, B. And then D, D, C sharp. And then when you play the verse, you're just gonna be hitting on the chord, so B minor. Savior, I'll come. So once you hit on that chord once with your right hand, you can kind of continue that flowy style with your right hand. So watch. Notice that I'm never stopping to play. I'm kind of continuing that with my right hand as well. So that's verse 1. Your blood was spilled for my on to pre-chorus, you got your E minor. This is the first time we see E minor here. E, G, B. Everything I once held dear, your A. Then you go into your B minor. Count it all, A, and then G as lost. So again, pre-chorus E minor, A, and then B minor, A, G. Lead me to the cross, staying on that G, where you're, and then you have your D, love poured out, A, again going to G, bring me to my knees, Lord, I lay me down, rid me of myself. Now let's pretend we want to get louder. What we're going to do is we're going to hit on the keys a lot more often and try to play more bass. Rid me of myself, I belong to you. Oh, lead me. I'm gonna play E minor down here so that it sounds more loud. And then G. Lead me to the Christ. So you could do a little instrumental here, or you could go straight into verse 2. Lead me to the Christ. You were as I tempted and tried. So in the verses, you want to get quiet again, just to focus more on those lyrics. And then you go to the chorus once again, like we just did after verse 2 pre-chorus. Then you go into the chorus. And after you finish off that last chorus and you're ready to go into the bridge, there is an instrumental there. So lead me to the Christ. Then you go into D. G, A. So D, G, A. And your main notes here are E and F sharp. See that? Just playing these three notes. And you can sing the bridge. To your heart, to your heart, lead me to your heart, lead me to your heart, lead me to the cross where your love poured out. Bring me to my knees, Lord, I lay me down. And you just continue with that loud. So notice sometimes I do that flowy style real quick. So cross. Sounds like more dramatic and loud. I love that style. Anyway, that's the full song. Be sure to watch the cover that I do of this song and watch my hands move, and you can just watch the entire song uninterrupted. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.